everybody. Well, I think finally we're gonna get it. Finally, we're gonna get some relief. Poor old grass is about burned up right here. It's just too dadgum hot to stay outside very long. But it's been thunder booming all day. And wouldn't you know it? In fact, you see a little bit of raindrops dripping off the carport onto my truck. But wouldn't you know it, tomorrow I got to go downtown for one of my V8 appointments. Oh yeah, 60% chance of rain tomorrow. So, you know, it's bad enough fighting the idiots on dry pavement going downtown. But having to deal with them people in the rain, oh man. Can y'all hear the thunder booming? Show you a picture of the sky. It ain't looking real healthy. Well, I mean, it's healthy. It's gonna give us some moisture. That's good. That's a good thing. So anyway, I just thought I'd share this with y'all. Hope y'all having a good evening. Hope you're safe and healthy. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.